Hey guys, I'm Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of 4 cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that I just got so I can protect my phone on my everyday usage. Of course, you should always protect your phone, especially when the phone is very expensive like this one. And I got these cases from Samsung, but keep in mind you could get a lot of similar of these cases like this similar on Amazon, so I'll leave links in my descriptions for those. Let's go ahead and show you guys the cases that I got here. And first of all, let's go and start with this one right here, which seems to be the cheapest one. I really don't know the price for all these cases because they were sent to me. I got it discounted because of the purchase of the phone, and they were not at regular price. So here we got the silicone cover for Galaxy Z Fold 3, of course. This is how it looks in the packaging. Go take this out. It has instructions manual in the inside. This one happens to have 2 for some reason. And of course, let's take this out. This is very easily. This is how it looks. You got 2 sides or 2 pieces of silicone, which is, well, for being silicone, it actually feels very hard. Normally silicone for me is like more rubbery. This one actually feels like a combination of plastic and rubbery. Feels really good. So let's go and put this here. It just snaps on like that on the back. This front cover snaps on very easily like that. Let's go and snap it on. There you go. And basically that's it. This is how it looks. I like the color white. I didn't think I was gonna like this one because it was actually silicone. I actually thought, like I said, it was more rubbery, but it's not. It's actually really hard. You have access to the volume and fingerprint. You have access to the speakers and charging port. Here in the back, it is not protected. And here you got the speakers there. Camera, very nice, laid out like that. And that's it. You know, it doesn't add bulk at all. Not too much bulk. It does have, you know, a little bit of more raised edges. That way, when you lie it down like this, it won't actually, the screen won't actually be touching the surface. That's not bad. So yeah, there you have it. This is the silicone one, which actually feels really nice in the hand and solid as well. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So there you go. To take it off, it's just very easy. You just snap it off like that. Snap it off the other cover like that, and that's it. So now let's go ahead to the next one, which is one of my favorite one and one of the most needed if you are a note taker. This is the flip cover with pen. This one goes for around $80, I think it is. Comes with the pen and the cover, which is very needed. Let's go and take the cover out. Let's go and take the pen out. Put this to the side. And this is how the pen actually looks. Of course, it's a lot more thicker than the normal pen you get on the Galaxy Note devices. It says Samsung here, and it says Fold Edition right there. Fold Edition right there. And it has a button right here, which is going to interact with the phone. Of course, in the inside, you also has tips. So if you've been a user for the Galaxy Note devices, you know that you also always get the tips just in case your tip get damaged. You can replace it. I believe it has like 3 tips I can see right there, and it has the little tool to take out the tips or replace them. Instructions manual right here, and there you go. So this is how it looks. It's very soft in the inside. It's like leather feeling in the outside. It's not really leather. Let's go put this. It only snaps on one side, and that's it. This cover closes and it covers the screen completely. There you have it, and of course the pen goes here. Not bad. Keep in mind the pen actually does not work here in the front cover at all, so you would have to use the inside cover to actually use the pen. Of course, the cool thing is that the phone actually recognizes when you take off the pen from the case, and you can see here that it adds the bubble right there for the air command. This is the air command. We got all this. Plus, of course, you can edit. You got all the customization for the pen itself, which is awesome. And of course, you can use the pen to navigate around. I'm just kind of weird with the gestures there using the pen. But there you have it. And of course, when you press the little button right here on the screen, you press it, and You get the air command, and of course you could just start a note here. You could choose the color or the background. Done. And when you're writing, you can actually listen to the sound that it makes while you're writing as well. Of course, you can save your notes, and it will synchronize your notes to the cloud just like always. And of course, like I said, this is a must buy, especially if you are a note taker. The only thing that I don't like is that it adds like almost a half an inch of wideness of the phone, because right now holding the phone without the case, it feels really good because it feels kind of small, but with this on, oh, it feels a little bit annoying, this little circle thing that sticks out right here. So but yeah, if you're a pen user, you will get used to it because you have a bigger canvas, and it makes it a lot better for me taking notes here than on normal Galaxy Note because of the size of the screen. So that is a plus for those that are note takers or coming from the Galaxy Note to replace it for a Fold. So there you have it. This was the flip cover with S Pen, or the pen. Now let's go and show you guys the Aramid cover. This one right here is a nice carbon fiber looking cover. That, and you know we love carbon fiber. Okay, here the back. This is very soft in the inside, but it has a very nice carbon filling on the outside. It also feels soft as well on the outside. Put it like that. Ooh, look at that. Awesome. And let's go with this one over here. Should stick, what, like this? Yep. Like that. Snaps in. And voila, look at that. That looks so cool. So you got the volume button and the scanner or fingerprint scanner right there. The back looks really nice. Awesome. Nice looking, you know, carbon fiber material, and it feels very soft. If you touch the Dell XPS devices, the palm rest, that's exactly how this feels. Exactly like the palm rest of the Dell XPS. So if you're one of those owners, you should combine it with this. It would be like the perfect combination. Oh my god, it feels really good. Of course, it adds edges raised. That way, if you put it like this, the screen won't actually be touching the surface. Wow. And of course, it doesn't add any more thickness than you would like from a case. Not bad. Look at that. Awesome. So let's go and take this one out. There you go. Wow, that fit there very tightly. So now let's go ahead and show you guys. This right here is the leather flip cover. Leather flip cover for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and this is my favorite case. This one right here, of course, it comes with instruction manuals, which you might need. I needed it to actually figure out how to actually use the kickstand, because one of the reasons why I got this is because it was leather, very nice and soft in the inside, and on the outside it feels like a very nice premium leather. Put the phone like there, it just snaps in like that, and that's it. So the cool thing is you're always protecting the screen. That might be a negative or a positive for you. It has this right here, which has two functions. One, you can use it like this to actually protect, you know, just in case you're using your phone and you get scared, you know, you're not really dropping your phone because you have it attached right there in the case. Open it up, you have access like that. You still have a little space over here of leather, which you can hold the phone like that, and so on, so on. It looks really nice. And the cool thing that I like about this is that this also functions as a kickstand. Right now, if I want to use this as a kickstand, this right here on the tip has like a little flip there, or flap, that actually is like a little bit magnetic. And this over here, this case over here has like a little dent right there, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna attach this magnetic thing to the dent over there, and now you have a kickstand for your case. So you can use your phone like this as a kickstand with a screen like that, or you can actually use it full screen, right? With your, there you go. You can full screen. You can watch YouTube videos just like that. Look at that. awesome. You can go in full screen and you can watch your videos like that. And that's the great thing about this case. Look at that. This is how it looks. This is how it actually attaches it. And I can see it does a good job attaching itself from its cover, because that's like a very strong, not very strong, but that's like a magnetic that actually is strong enough to hold the case to the cover like that and keep it as a kickstand. That is so cool. So if you're one of those that like to watch a lot of videos, a lot like I do, or YouTube videos, or videos for, you know, Netflix or Hulu Plus or HBO Max, one of those shows, it's freaking awesome. Especially also if you're using like Game Pass and you're playing with a controller. Oh, that's like a must have. You must have a kickstand for your case. And of course, the cool thing is that it completely protects your phone on both sides of the screen, and it also doesn't add too much thickness to the phone at all. Look at that. You still have access to the speakers, charging port, and it also protects the hinge. It doesn't scratch the hinge compared to the other ones. And of course, you have this, which functions as the kickstand creator or holder, and also you can, you know, put your fingers there and make sure you don't drop your phone if somebody scares you from behind. So there you have it, guys. Those are the cases for the Galaxy Z Fold. You got the cover with the S Pen, which honestly is a must if you use pen devices. You got the carbon fiber looking one, which is really nice. And you have the silicone white cover. This one actually Samsung only sells it in white. This one only comes in carbon fiber. This one only comes in black. And this one, of course, only comes in leather looking. But like I said, I'll leave links in my descriptions for these cases and other cases that are similar to these cases, or any other case that I think might be great for the Z Fold. I'll leave them in my descriptions. That way you guys can go ahead, and if you're looking for a case for your new Z Fold, make sure you check the descriptions of this video so you can get a case from there, and it also will help my channel as well. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what case do you like the most, and what case from any other brand did you get for your Z Fold if you didn't get one of these. Thanks for watching. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.